Hello. Today, let's have a nice competition about our new Apple Watch Series 11. Worth the upgrade? For example, I don't know, but maybe I think about that. Yeah. Today, we are going to dive into the latest from Apple, the new Apple Watch Series 11. It is a game changer or just another incremental update? We're going to break down everything new compared to its predecessors and see how it stacks up against the best smartwatches from Samsung and Google. Let's go. Yo. The Apple Watch 11 is finally there, and it brings us with a few key upgraded that have been on the wish list for a while, for example. The most notable is the 5G connectivity. Yes, this is the first Apple Watch to feature a 5G cellular chip, promising a faster data speeds and more reliable connection when we are away from our phone itself. That's good thing, yeah. Apple has also made some significant refinements to the design materials. The Series 11 now comes in a size of 42 to 46 millimeter. A slight increase from the Series 9 and 10. And for the first time on the standard models, a stunning new polished titanium option. That make it more durable and so surprisingly light. But what about the battery? Apple claims an all-day battery life up to 24 hours with a normal use, which is a noticeable bump from the 18 hours of the Series 10. And in low power mode, it can go up to 38 hours. A good feature, I think, but it's not a game changer because it is enough to make a day work, and after then you go sleeping and only one charge. Yeah, this is Duke Win, of course, for anyone who wants to track the sleep without worrying about the battery dying overnight. And of course, we have more. The health feature, I think that are really important today. Where the Apple Watch is truly shines, yeah, and the Series 11 take it a step further, of course. We know have an hypertension notification, which can detect patterns in our heart data over the time to warn us of potential high blood pressure. Really cool feature, I think. This is a massive new feature. There's also an improved sleep score that analytics a variety of factors to give us the comprehensive score of our sleep quality itself. And so, how does the Apple Watch 11 compare to others, to the competition? Let's start with the big one, the Samsung Galaxy Watch 8. This is a fantastic device, of course, especially for Android users. It boasted a beautiful, vibrant display with a peak brightness of up to 3000 nits for a smartwatch, which is a big deal in direct sunlight. Samsung also leads with its more comprehensive body composition analytics, but the biggest difference is, of course, the operation system. The Galaxy Watch runs on Wear operating system with Google's Gemini AI assist built right in, and it's better than from the Apple because of the artificial intelligence. Yes, I think so. So far, of course. This means a more conventional and in some ways more advanced AI experience on your with then. And there is another competition available on the market because of other big players, the Google Pixel Watch 3. This is the smart watch for the pure Android experience. It has unique, smooth, dawn design and really stands out. The Pixel Watch excels at the computations, photography, and a very tight integration with Google services. It's a great choice for those who are deep in the Google ecosystem. Of course, though that means if you're in the Android area, you cannot use an Apple Watch Series 11 watch because you will need an iPhone for that. Yeah, this is the big thing, of course. But maybe you have to buy an iPhone. Then, of course, the Apple device should be good for you. The prices. What about the prices? The Apple Watch Series 11 starts so $400. Deepest iOS integration, new health features, and 5G. Good keyword. Samsung Galaxy Watch 8, it's $350. Whereas with Gemini AI and comprehensive body composition. And of course, we have Google Pixel Watch. This is the $330. The Google ecosystem integration, unique design. Yeah, that means the quick thing here is, of course, the cheapest one is the Google Pixel on the market. The Samsung Galaxy or the Google Pixel is for Android users. And the Apple Watch is in the area which you are going to into the Apple ecosystem, of course. Yeah, that means we wrap it up now. The Apple Watch Series 11 is not a revolutionary redesign, of course, but it's a significant refinement of an already great product. The new 5G connectivity and extended battery life makes it more independent device than ever before. For existing Apple Watch users, the new hypertension and the sleep features could be a compelling reason to upgrade, of course. For everyone else, the choice remains the same. If you are an iPhone user, the Apple Watch is still the best option, with a level of seamless integrations that the competition can't match. And if you're an Androider, the Samsung Galaxy Watch or the Google Pixel Watch are phenomenal alternatives, each with their own unique strengths. Which one would you choose? Let us know in the comments, of course. And if you are still an Apple user for years, for example, and you have the Apple Watch Series 10, do not make an upgrade, I think. This is not necessary. But maybe you are having 9 model or an 8 model, the Series 8 or 9. That should be a good upgrade, a possibility this year for you. But this is, I think it's like every year. A big thing, huh? Yeah, because maybe you look for the titanium one. I like the titanium model, of course, so I bought this, and it's up to you. But give me in the comments some information about what do you think? Is it worth the new Apple Watch Series 11? Huh? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me positive feedback, and I hope see you again on my channel. Sun.